Do you want to be 100% productive every single day? Imagine waking up, knowing exactly what to do, staying on track without distractions, and finishing the week with a sense of accomplishment. Well, today I'm going to show you a very powerful yet very simple technique to use all of your time. All you need is a piece of paper and a pen. What you need to do is to sit down every single night and plan tomorrow. Write down exactly what you need to do and when you need to do it. Does it feel too much? Well, then you can do it once a week, let's say Sundays. And if you want to make this technique even better, sit down on Sundays and reflect on everything you did during the last week. What was good? What can you improve? You are the only person who knows the answer. If you really want to use this technique, there are two rules that you need to follow. The first rule is you do not negotiate with yourself. Did you plan to do it? Then you have to do it. The second rule is you do not negotiate with yourself. Do you feel tired, lazy, or want to change some plans? Sit down for a moment and think about why you made that plan in the first place. I promise you that if you use this technique, your stress will decrease drastically and you will feel so much better because you have finally 100% control over your time.